love, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm very excited to share with you a luxury haul slash unboxing. If you guys do follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you knew that I went to Las Vegas for my anniversary with my husband. And while I was there, of course, we had to do some luxury shopping. So I picked up a couple of things. It's not a huge haul, but I'm very excited about the pieces that I picked up and I wanted to share them with you guys. If you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty, sometimes some fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury like today's video. So if those are topics that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. Let's jump into the goodies. So as you can see, we went to Chanel twice, and this is actually only the second time I shop at a Chanel boutique. The first time was back in 2019. My first luxury haul video I ever did was also when we went to Las Vegas. Start with the littlest item. This is probably the least exciting item to have. She's so sweet. She gave me a little like bag and like a special receipt and everything, even though it was just one item. If you have not seen it, it is a makeup product. So this is the Le Rouge Duo in the shade 48 Soft Rose. I went into the boutique. They actually were out of stock on all colors except this one that I wanted. So this is the shade Soft Rose 48. It's just a beautiful rosy color, like you can see right there. And I really wanted to give it a try because, like I said, I had heard that these are just very, very long lasting on the lips, very comfortable. And even when I applied this on, it's a very lightweight formula. It wasn't too watery and it wasn't too thick when it went on the skin. And then you can apply this top layer here, and this is going to give a glossy finish to it, but it's gonna make it very, very long lasting. So this is like a liquid lipstick, but it's like a lip gloss, so it's like the best of both worlds. You're getting a long lasting color on the lips, but you're also getting the glossy finish. You guys have tried this product out. Leave it down in the comments as well. What's your favorite shade? Because if I like it, I might have to call my essay and have her ship me a couple of more because the color is just really pretty and I'm very, very excited to try it out. All right, so now moving on to the item that I went into Chanel for. I am so excited that this piece is finally mine. Of course, I had to leave the little ribbon on as well. I actually took it off because this was in my suitcase, obviously, when we were coming back. And then I tried to just like do it all nicely. But as you can tell, it's not a purse. It is a small item. But this is an item that when I tell you I have been looking for this item for years, I mean years. Like actually a very, very hard product to come by. So we have the beautiful camellia. We'll undo it here. We have the pouch. You can tell that this is a small leather good, and when we take it out, we have this gorgeous Chanel card holder. This is the Chanel quilted card holder, just the classic card holder. As you can see, you have one pocket in the front. It is the gold hardware, and then you have two pockets in the back and one top pocket here, and then the top pocket or the inside of it is lined in burgundy. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. So to you guys, this may be just like another card holder, but if you love Chanel, if you know the history about Chanel, you know that this is a very hard card holder to come by. It's such a popular style because it's one of their more inexpensive items. It's still a very expensive item for what it is for a card holder. You can certainly get card holders that are a lot cheaper than the Chanel card holder, but this is one of their more inexpensive items, and it's a classic item. It's a classic card holder. This is the caviar, not the lambskin, and a lot of people like the caviar because it's a little bit more durable. It lasts a little bit longer and it ages a little bit better as well. It's not I wanted to add a card holder from Chanel. So I was actually on the hunt for this black one just because I feel like black is classic. It's classic Chanel. It's a popular style, but I would have been okay with like a blue one as well if they would have had it, but black and blue for some reason are super, super hard to come by. The beige one as well, but I knew that I didn't want the beige because I had my YSL one in beige. The reason that I had never bought it from like a third-party seller or something like that was because I knew that I wanted to purchase this in store. I knew I wanted to buy it in store because it's one of the more inexpensive things at Chanel. I can't just like walk in and buy a purse all the time, but small leather goods are usually a good way to go in, or like fashion jewelry and stuff like that. And so I really wanted to pick this up in store. I wanted to have like that in-store experience with this card holder, and every time I went into the store it was sold out. Any chance I got to go into a store, it was sold out because it's such a popular item. Even in in Vegas when we went to 2 other Chanels. We went to the one at the Crystal Shops and they didn't have any. And then we went to the Chanel at the Bellagio. They didn't have any. And we, like, on our anniversary, the day of our anniversary, this was gonna be like an anniversary present to me and to the Chanel at the Wynn, and she pulled out the small leather goods, and this was the very last one they had in stock. And so I was just really excited about it. Like, the stars aligned. It was our anniversary. It was the last one in stock. It was a great shopping experience at Chanel with my new SA Marge. Very, very excited still, and I cannot wait to use this. So here we have the last item. Spoiler alert. It is a bag. I'm pretty sure I have talked about this bag before, but I know I didn't put it on my wish list for this year because it was like super low priority. Since the release of this bag, I love it. I have wanted it and I had put it on my list. I was just trying to find the right time to pull the trigger and actually purchase it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I went into Versace, and while I was there, I was trying this bag out. And another reason why I hadn't bought it before is because there is no Versace in Minnesota, and wasn't really sure of the sizing of this bag, if I wanted like the size down or like a size up or something of this bag. And so when I went to Las Vegas, we stopped at Versace and I was able to try it out and kind of get all the questions, feel the leather, see it and everything like that, and I just fell in love with it. I actually picked this up from the website Italist. Is that how you say it? Idolist? I don't know. But I didn't pick it up at the boutique, and I will explain in a second why. This is the Versace Le Medusa bag. Oh my god, she is exquisite. She is so gorgeous, and I'm so happy that I finally have her in my possession. Came out with the Le Medusa line, and so what's really cool about this line is that this is magnetic. So as you can see, it's a top handle, and this is in the black with gold hardware, but you can get it with the black on black. You can get it with like the green, that's all green. Like, it comes in multiple colors. It comes in the white as well. So when you open it up, you actually get 2 straps that you can use with it. Inside of it is just one big compartment, but there is this little back compartment here with a zip. Here on the sides, these like little, I don't know what these are called, snaps that you can undo and make the bag bigger. So you can undo the snaps, and this opens up even wider. So you can actually fit like an iPad or something else like that, and you can extend it out a little bit more, or you can keep it kind of like accordion style. On the back, there's nothing. You just have the Versace logo there. And with 2 straps, this first strap is just a long leather strap. It is adjustable, so you do have different snaps that you can put on there, so depending on the length you want to keep it. I like this length at the longest because then I can wear it crossbody, and then I can wear it as a shoulder. Then along with that, you do also get a gold chain. And I hear it, this gold chain, if I'm being 100% honest, is not the best quality. It's very flimsy. It's almost like plasticky like, but it does come with that chain, and it looks gorgeous on this bag, just like the gold against the black. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. The leather is a really nice kind of grained leather. This isn't a shiny calfskin leather. I don't think this is one of those like protected coated canvas, so you might still get a couple dings here and there. Like, you really have to try to like ding this up. I feel like this leather is a very good, it's like a cross between a Saffiano and like a lambskin kind of leather. It's just nice and grainy, but it's not super thick. It does have kind of like little feet here at the bottom as well. So this is the bag, and this, if I didn't mention, is the Le Medusa bag. So I think this is their medium size bag. There's a Le Medusa bag small, then there's a Le Medusa bag large, and then this medium kind of size is just called the Le Medusa. So I don't think they have like a Le Medusa medium, but this is the medium size. Versace does have a reputation for reason their bags really don't hold that much value. So even though I loved it, I kind of put it on the back burner, and even now it was still kind of like one of those in the back of my mind. I wanted to have it pieces, but it wasn't like a rush item, just because I knew if I bought this bag, it wasn't gonna be like an investment bag, or it would have to be a bag I really loved and be okay with kind of losing out a little bit money on. So when we went to Las Vegas, I went to check it out, and I fell more in love with it in person just because of the versatility. Like I mentioned, Versace doesn't hold their value that well, so I knew I wasn't going to purchase it in store full price. Search for this bag, I came across it on Italist or Italist.com, and it was literally like $1,000 off. So this bag normally retails for $25.50 in store at Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, Versace, wherever you get it full price, $25.50 plus tax. On Italis.com, I ended up paying $15.35. I did have to pay taxes on that, so I think it turned out to be like $1,600 or something. But when we compare, you know, $25.50 to $1,600, that's a huge difference in savings. And before buying it, when I was researching, you know, how much this bag could sell for on the resale market, I was kind of getting that mixed amount, anywhere from $1,300 to $1,700, depending how well maintained this bag was, is what you could expect for that. So I figured even if I, let's say, sell this in a couple of years and I make only $1,000 back, I lost, you know, $500 or something like that after using it for several years, instead of buying it for $25.50 and losing almost $1,500 simply because Versace doesn't hold its value. Also, the last one that they had in this colorway, in this size, so I just had to pull the trigger and pick this up. So yeah, this is my newest addition to my bag collection. Alright you guys, so that is it. That is my luxury haul. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys have any of these items, or any of these items are on your wish list, or if you have any questions about any of these items, leave it down in the comments below and I would be happy to respond to that. We can get a conversation going on there. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is going to be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. I will also link these items if I can find them. Like I said, the card holder from Chanel is probably going to be a little bit more difficult, but if I can find some like pretty good, reasonably priced secondhand sellers, I will be sure to leave them down below for you. Thank you for watching today's video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.